Hi BaeBeats, what's up? I'm Lainee Beat and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Laine's Sweet Thoughts. We are going to make one of my favorite creamy chicken macaroni salad. Let's get started! The things we need will be 400 grams of cooked elbow macaroni, 220 ml of Real Mayonnaise, 150 ml of all-purpose cream, 150 ml of condensed milk, 100 grams of shredded chicken breast, 1 cup of diced carrots, 560 grams pineapple tidbits, 1/4 cup of chopped white onions, 100 grams of pickle relish, 1 bar of diced cheese, 2 to 4 teaspoons of salt, 2 to 4 teaspoons of pepper, and you can add raisins if you want. In a big bowl, pour the mayonnaise, the all-purpose cream, and the condensed milk. Mix it until well combined. Then, pour in the macaroni, the shredded chicken, the carrots, the white onion, pickle relish, the pineapple tidbits, salt, and then pepper. After that, mix well until all ingredients are combined. Oops, sorry, I forget to add the cheese. Mix it again and then we're done. You can put it in the fridge or you can serve it right away. You can also adjust the taste. If you want to add more sweetness, just add condensed milk, and if you want it to be slightly salty, just add a little bit of salt. You can also add raisins if you want. You can now serve this to your friends and loved ones. I hope you learned a lot and I hope you liked my video. If you want to request more videos and recipes like this, just comment down below. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated every time I posted a new video. Again, this is Lainee Beat and see you on my next video. Mwah!
Dirty bit.